어저께 내가 폰 스터디 스플래시를 좋았지.
Bendy and the Dark Revival.
New guy? That's it. What do you say for me? Wow.
Old Track 77 is a quiet place these days. Ever since that terrible crash a few years back, people don't like to hang around. Too many strange things keep happening on this platform. Last week, one of the railmen told me they had had reports of some train going through that wasn't on the schedule. There were figures standing in the cars, staring through the windows. But it never stopped to let no one off, just kept on going straight through. Some say it was the Silver Lane Express, the train that crashed. Kitty Thompson.
Doctor. Sachen aus, auch gespielt. Mach sie down. Hello. Wanna be going in that far? Hindi kinatasan na sa kuching lock to that.
The demon's evil continues to spread. This world has begun to shudder.
Be quiet.
What did you say?
Nothing. It was nothing.
Almost there. Just a quick stop. Won't take but a moment.
Tama ka na kanina ako sa araw may kiyang natakani.
The subject will stand in the designated location.
Sorry, kung ito ako
Lethal object detected. The subject will submit all weapons for further screening. Disarm now.
Right.
Remain still for examination. The subject is cleared for entry.
아주 very good. 지옥겠다. 왜? 딴 데서 가면 쉽지였던 데고 아빠빠빠.
Welcome to the civilized world. How do you like my signal towers? They nullify the Ink Demon's powers so he cannot pass them. I wish I could say I invented them, but it seems our friends at the Gent Corporation had a demon problem of their own long ago.
Oh, inako na ako. Cute!
And now, my dear, if you'll excuse me, I have a lot to prepare. We'll talk later, I promise. Besides, you must be very tired. A quick rest will do you good. Betty will show you to your room. She's my housekeeper, among other things.
You never actually actually killed the ink demon, did you?
No, he's too powerful to destroy. So we sealed him away, trapped him in a different form. One that was smaller, harmless.
Bendy.
It was a fitting prison, although he seems to have found a way to free himself. But enough talk. We'll deal with that soon enough.
There's some nice fresh blankets all laid out for you. You'll be dreaming in no time.
Wait, Wilson? One more thing. If you needed my help, why didn't you just ask?
Would you have believed me?
Come along, and no more dawdling. This way now.
Атауна такова. Соорлаттаас пилинуаннерниарпасит. Thank you.
Oh, you're here at last. It's so exciting finally having you with us. Now, to give you some bearings, we're currently standing in the south wing. Wilson's laboratory is downstairs. And then there's the north wing. The ink demon got in there a while ago, and ever since, we've had to keep the north wing locked up tight. I'm afraid it's fallen into ruins by now. All those juicy, lovely books gone to waste. Only keepers go there these days, and they'll tear you apart limb from limb if Wilson isn't with you. So, mind your distance, and you'll be just fine.
Paruasartinaria.
It's not very often I have guests to look after, especially one I can actually talk to. Almost everyone here either can't speak or they're completely mad. All right, here we are. Best room in the house.
Thank you.
You should see where I sleep. Ugh. But this room, just perfect. I saw to every detail. Bed is clean. The bathroom is on the left. Sorry about the stains. I did try my best to get them out.
Qoinartoruutit suungarpissanni mattoravit kisianniuvaganamminersinnaunaaroqpunga. Taava.
The Mug and the Maiden, Volume 1 by Sir Y. Iton Moore Chapter 1, The Dangerous Forest Once Upon...
Toqaterpunga unatakisooruusussaua tuartinniarukkuut taamaaleriarlunguun spillingerlatinnartariaqarpaa taanna tuartinnagu attaa tuangassataarma takitingisua tuartikkuna.
Did you have any questions?
Is it always night here?
It's always dark, if that's what you mean. For as long as I can remember.
Are you very old?
No. As far as I understand it, I'm something quite new. Although, I didn't turn out the way I was supposed to. One in a long line of failed experiments. But Wilson will keep trying.
And do you trust Wilson?
This is the realm of the ink demon. The shadow hangs over us all. I don't trust anyone. But Wilson takes care of me, keeps me safe. He once said I remind him of something he called his mother. Tell me, is that a good thing, where you two are from?
I'm not sure. I don't think I ever had one.
Well, no matter. Now, I was told to make sure you get some sleep once you got here. So get nice and comfy and relax. I left something on the table that might just help you nod off. It's my own recipe. Works very fast. Just follow the instructions. Carefully.
Thanks, Betty.
Of course. If you need anything else, I'll come straight away. I'm always up.
sinitseqqaarniarsaraan allulum malornaqa
Gilson. What's a Gilson?
atoqeers tuaqqinniangilakka Gilson tutullianu toqalumisikko suus piliallartissima kiporteqinnariaru Poppo. Schöne Roulage-Gico. Nishinangera matapang nakawo.
The machine speaks.
The machine.
The machine speaks to me, revealing its many possibilities. What I can accomplish using its power is beyond any measure. Life and death can become a thing of the past. Poverty and hunger, a distant memory. I can remake the world anew. But does the world deserve such a gift? For now, I have bigger matters at hand. A man in a black coat came asking at the front desk about the machine. Said he was from the Gent Corporation. Fortunately, the receptionist knew nothing, and he left quietly. Later, I found his name on the sign-in form. Mr. Alan Gray.
Qainaqtaa tuaravit qarutuaraituarnatiin utarsiassaqalarniarunarporaassi stun
Well, that didn't tell me anything.
statuangassarpassuia
So, I'm looking for a fish? There's gotta be one here somewhere.
fish huh? Beautiful.
Now that's a fish.
Octopus.
He's too fast. Maybe if it was closer.
Wait, what? Chưa bay sao?
That did it. Looks like the fish is asleep.
Good.
Gotcha. You can't get away from me, you little stinker. Hello?
I forgot the Gilson again, didn't I? And there's some already ground up in the kitchen too. I'll bring it up to your room straight away, shall I? Oh, and maybe you could put Harold back in his tank. He does so hate the dry air.
No. Come on. Come on. narrow secret tunes. Secret tunes mo mayroon. Nothing good. Dawa an official to nga na mission na tiswa. Panak simawa sa natin. Kitchen. Why? Sit down! Yay! Panibakan nila. Pamaksingan nila. Papasan.
Now, just 3 sips of water.
No.
1.
Stop it!
2. 3.
Kana kayo di makadang gusto na sa compactus.
Awake at last. I was almost afraid you'd miss my party.
What's going on?
Oh, it seems you're just a little overwhelmed. It's all right, honey. I understand. It's not every day one gets to bask in the glory of an angel.
Angel?
Alice Angel, to be exact. That's who I am. Sent from above. Impending perfection.
What do you want?
Right to the chase. I like that. The truth is, honey, you're one of a kind. And to put it bluntly, what I want is your face removed, your skin peeled away like paper, and your insides torn out and tossed onto my table. Custom parts, ready for my delicious harvest. And with your generous sacrifice, I'll be beautiful. But for now, let's have fun. Plenty of time for a bloodbath later. Ooh, how about a game? Let's all play a game of riddles.
Riddles? What a wonderful idea!
No.
All right, honey. Here's the deal. Behind you is the door to freedom. But it will only be opened if you solve my little puzzle and return to your special chair. Then I'll throw this heavenly switch here. If you get the puzzle right, you walk away. Get it wrong, you fry. Let's begin.
My love, you're beautiful. I know, right? I know. I need the beautiful. Circles. Beautiful.วันนี้kinakita nito. Isimisen kinakita nito. Malakta pero ni. Isiko to katoy yung rokok. Dia malaktoy sa mga rokok. Ano na piyak ka naka. Tao ko kiko nak sumisyo positive.
The rabbit never sits with the bird, but he loves the playful company of the bear.
The pompous fox? Well, he wouldn't be caught dead sitting on the left. Far too pedestrian.
The fox thinks the rabbit smells of elderberry. I couldn't see them sitting together.
The bird won't have anything to do with the rabbit, but I hear he likes to court danger by sitting next to the fox.
The fox has always hated the bear. They never sit next to each other.
My friend the bear always sits next to the bird. After all, they went to school together.
Da 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 da. Hello, see you. Honey. 로진 낚시비전으로 집버시 심함이 수족한 cool. Sit down, my love. Go ahead.
Hold on tight, honey. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Don't give up yet. How about another?
Rapid.
Hold on tight, honey. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1.
My love. Come back. My love. Bla 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 la 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 la. Ningoy mo nga, tawas ako tawas lang, isa sindari.
See you there.
Thank you.
Nobody likes a party pooper.
Hello. Come back. Wow. Where's he? Home? Home. Come on. Home. 지리복적 나오면 나 낙지대원에서 보면 kak형와 내 지리복적 대대로 막 보면 때 내리면 쩍가라야 또 오늘 제실이 지금 신랑 혹시 뭐 왔다니
Nobody likes a party pooper.
제거가 어쨌든 기를 있어. 자, 원에서 그러면 각도 시작해야 하고. 저거 들어가요. 맞아, 강겠지. 맞아, 뭐 필요 없이 나의 넥타이 있지만. Now it's beginning to talk of the person also. 이루왕 넣어주면 Kuna nagsaksinaw nga. Kuna sinaw nga. Ano sabi yan? Hindi pa saksinaw nga waboga. Let's enjoy. Söz billiğe sakçık. Alay. No! Nope. Takko.
Ain't stealing my spotlight, honey. That's it. Where did you go? Stop hiding! Start dying! Just want to be beautiful! Help me be beautiful!
Inakulaktuan ako din.
Where do you think you're going?
Tapos na ba?
You ain't stealing my spotlight, honey.
Dava? Bilyak sa tiyo, yak sa tusang okpa ng binaksa nga kanok sa pilusa na.
Stop hiding!
Bye-bye.
Start dying!
Isa ka kabak ka naman.
Where did you go?
Where go? Dava?
Freak you big demon! I can do this all day! I know you're out there! I don't wanna go!
Natakot tawa sa bungok. May ko nga.
Come out wherever you are! Music! Where did you go?
Di mga enak pa, dama. Niyak-piyak na yawami nga. Ang naman eh. Pacharat sila kaya.
Hiding from me. That's precious. Ain't stealing my spotlight, honey. Where do you think you're going?
Ang nakapasas mangila. 똑같죠, 나 럭셔럭.
Come out wherever you are.
Fishing.
You ain't stealing my spotlight, honey.
Dan nasa paka-fish siya, we ganito kain nga.
Hiding from me. That's precious.
Thank you.
Where do you think you're going?
Sangatak.
Where did you go? Lovely eyes and a shot! I can do this all day.
Ano, nakapi?
Give me your inside! Stop hiding! Start dying! Ah, there you are!
Peekaboo!
Oh, you're out there!
Next.
I don't wanna go!
Ang bakit? Kasi yun.
Lovely eyes and a jaw! Stop hiding! That's it! I can do this all day!
Me too.
Give me your insides! Where did you go?
Where did it go?
I don't wanna go!
Chỉ được chắc chút xa xuống nữa người đó.
Oh, you're out there! How dare you touch me! Final curtain, baby. Let's blow them away. My face. You have my face. It's our face. I'm beautiful. Always were. Why does this feel so familiar? Are you all right, Audrey?
Alice, I cannot begin to tell you how good it is to see you. And this must be your wolf.
Audrey, meet Tom. He's my protector. My friend.
You both got here just in time. Now I understand why you don't like being called Alice.
The machine creates many of the same forms. At least on the outside. On the inside, we're all pretty different.
Well, from now on, I'm gonna call you something other than Alice. It just doesn't suit you.
Oh? What do you have in mind?
How about Allison?
It's not bad. Okay, I'll try it out. But only if you can tell me what in heaven's name you're doing in Wilson's retreat.
Wilson! I almost forgot. I have to get back right away.
Are you crazy? Wilson's our enemy.
Do you even know him? Have you ever talked to him?
I've seen what he's done. That's good enough for me.
Look, it sounds like he has a plan to kill the ink demon. For good. And I think he can help us all. I just need to go back and hear him out.
Well, if it's true, you'll both need as much help as you can get. The ink demon won't go down without a fight. Tom and I will gather some of our friends. Anyone who's left. Good luck, Audrey.
You too, Allison.
Mind if I take this?
My love is gone. Makonis nas no prisinaksak masis damashi bye to goes. Bye bye, Cubby.